Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. My name is Amin. If you're joining for the first time, well, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, it's good to see you as always. So today I'm going to be sharing with you how you can take some cybersecurity courses for free, the site to take them from, and what you will be learning in the process. So a lot of people asked me in the comment section of the previous videos to share with them where they could get resources for free, and I know some people are willing to pay, but obviously if there are good resources out there that you could get for free, why not try it out? So in this video, I'm going to show you a list of websites or a list of platforms you could go to, set up an account, and get started with the security courses. They are very good courses, and so get your system ready and be ready to jot down some of the links. The links I'll be talking about are also going to be in the description box, so if you need a very easy access to get to those platforms and get to those pages, just check the description box below and you will get all the information there. Okay, see you in a bit. Okay guys, welcome back. So the first thing I need you to do is to visit the website called cyberary.it. You could just put that in the Google search, or you could just put it directly in the URL. So this is the site cyberary.it. Once you click on the site and you're on the page, you're going to be asked to create an account. We are going to do that obviously, but I'm going to walk you through the course you're planning to take or the course you're going to be taking, and then you could create the account on your own and get started with it. So the course you're going to be searching for is Introduction to IT and Cybersecurity. If you type that in, Introduction to IT, and okay, you can see it pop up here. Once you click on that, you'll see the course is it says introducing you to the course. It's a 1 hour 41 minute course. It's a beginner level course, and it's going to give you a CPE point of 2. Once you create a free account, you would be able to take this, and it tells you what the course is meant for. It says it's meant for system administrators, penetration tester, cloud engineer, cybersecurity manager, and the likes. But remember, like I always say, if you've seen my other videos, this course would assume you already have some experience. Even though they always tell you it's a beginner course, there are some things that are still very fundamental. Remember, I said in one of my videos when I talked about, for people who have absolutely no experience in IT, CompTIA A+ is a very good place to start, because that is where they're going to teach you about how a computer works and basics like that. CompTIA Network Plus will teach you about networking in the very basic form, and then because taking courses like this, they would put into consideration that you have some of this idea, even though they are going to teach you basics also. So yeah, the first thing you are going to be learning in this, the course is going to be delivered by Ken Underhill, and you're going to have an introductory video. Then you're going to have a module teaching you about system administrator. I'm going to tell you about what it takes to become a system administrator. Then you're going to be creating users and groups in a Linux demonstration. You're also going to have a Windows Defender configuration demonstration. Then the next module will talk to you about network administrator, what a network administrator does and what you need to do to become a network administrator, and teach you about Wireshark. Wireshark is a tool that is widely used by network administrators to understand what is going on in the network, open up packet and see what is inside network traffic. And the next course would be about digital forensics and incident response. This is very important for people that want to become go into cybersecurity and SOC analyst as a SOC analyst. So yeah, you're going to be introduced to what it takes to becoming an incident responder, and then you're going to also learn some Wireshark, more advanced Wireshark, analyzing packets with Wireshark in a more demonstrated video. Now the next module, the module 5, will talk to you about penetration testing, introduce you to what it takes to become a penetration tester, and you would have some password cracking demonstration, which you would find really interesting, understanding how you could crack passwords, and yeah, maybe that would be your first hacking experience, I guess. And then lastly, for the penetration tester module, you're going to learn Nmap. It's going to show you how Nmap work, what we use Nmap for, and it's going to be a demonstration so you could see, and you could also practice this in your own lab. Now, the next module, it will basically just introduce you to what it takes to becoming a cloud engineer. and I'm sure with the knowledge you would gain from here, you would be able to understand who a cloud engineer is, what is it that they do, and how to become a cloud engineer. Moving on to the 7th module. This is going to introduce you to what it takes to become a cybersecurity manager, even though this might not necessarily be your target for now, because being in a management role in cybersecurity would require you having some years of experience. So since you don't have that, you might want to skip it. But yeah, it's also fine if you just have an idea, and so there is no harm in trying. It's just an 8-minute video. And then the module 8 will talk to you about privacy analyst. You would learn what it takes to become a privacy analyst, and what they do and how they do their work. And yeah, that's going to be the end of the video. So this is a very, very good course for you to take, and you could read more about the course, and you could see some of the roles that are available in cybersecurity: penetration tester, security generalist, someone who has an idea of everything, basically security architect, person who designs from scratch and build. We also have a network security engineer, cryptographer, SOC analyst, incident. So there are lots of roles in cybersecurity, like I said before. Remember in the video where I mentioned starting your career in cybersecurity, the first thing I said was to understand the industry, research the industry. So in researching the industry, you would come across some of these roles, and deciding which one you'd want to go for, which one aligns with your long-term goals and your long-term aspiration. So yeah, that's it for the video. For the first platform, Cyber is a very, very good one. I used it during my days when I started learning penetration testing, and it's amazing that it is free. If they have some paid courses also that you could also explore later, at least for starters, you might want to start with this one and see how well you go and how much you enjoy working with Cybersecurity. So create your account and enjoy, have fun. I'm going to put a link to the course in the description box. So yeah, enjoy, play around with it. If you encounter issues, I think there is a community you could share, you could reach out to. But if you can't find help, reach out to me. My email, my contact information is in the description box, and I hope I would be able to help you. So thank you very much, and that's it for this demonstration. Second platform we are going to be working with is called edx.org. Some of you might have already used this in the past. EDX used to be very popular back in the days when we would just want to take online courses and just get certifications. So edx.org is a very popular site. If you go to edx.org, type in Introduction to Cybersecurity, it would bring you this course offered. It's a free self-paced course, and it is completely free, and it will take you 6 weeks to complete, expecting that you put in 2 to 5 hours per week. The course would start almost immediately, so you'd always see the date next to the day you're viewing it from. But I think it ends May 31, so you might as well want to do this as soon as possible. The course is offered by University of Washington in the United States, from the computer science department, and it is an introductory level course. The prerequisite basically is curiosity, because obviously it's a beginner friendly course and you're just curious and want to know what cybersecurity is all about. So yeah, obviously on EDX there's always the verified track and there's always the audit track. The verified track would give you certificates from the university offering the course upon completion, and you would have graded assignment. That means someone would mark your assignment. But for the free part, which is the audit track, you just learn the information in there. You might not necessarily have someone to grade your assignment, but at this point, I think the most important thing is for you to just have the knowledge, right? So yeah, that is what you're going to start with. So what you would be learning in this course basically is understanding the concepts in cybersecurity, teach you about how to identify and distinguish threat actors and what motivates them, the different type of threat actors we have and their forms of motivation. Also, you'll be able to match appropriate controls with we'll be able to match different type of control with different type of threat actor. So when this kind of threat actor is in play, what kind of control would you put in? And also you would understand the differences and interaction among international agencies related to cybersecurity, how international agencies collaborate with each other to stop the malicious threat actors. And finally, they would teach you how to potential legal challenges to cybersecurity in your country. So depending on the country you're from, you would learn some of the challenges you could encounter in the cybersecurity field in that country. So I think that's it, guys. This one is also an introductory video, so an introductory course, so might not necessarily give you so much information compared to the first one from Cybery. So yeah, there is no harm in taking all of this. You might not get a certification for this, but for the Cybery one, if you complete it, you will definitely get a certificate of completion at the end of the training. So that's it again for this demonstration, and I'll see you in the other side. Cheers. That's it for today's video, guys. Thank you very much for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to give the thumbs up button, and also don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I really appreciate the feedback and comments I'm getting. Thank you very much, everyone, and I hope to see you in the next video. Cheers, guys.